Parity case number 1. Two corners are diagonally opposite from where they should be. Well, place one corner on the bottom right and one on the top left, and this is the algorithm that you should use. It's very long, so take note. 2U star, 2L star, 2U, 2 small l, 2U, 2L star, 2U star. Right, up inverted, left, 2U, right inverted, up, right, left inverted, up inverted, left, 2U, right inverted, U, left inverted, and a U. Solved. Parity case number 2. Two corners in the wrong position in the same face. Another real long algorithm that you're going to learn is 2U star, 2L star, 2U, 2 small l, 2U, 2L star, 2U star. For inverted, oh come on, up inverted, front, up, front, right inverted, to front, up, front, up, front inverted, up inverted, front, and right. Solved. Parity case number 3. You've got one flipped edge. Everything else is done, but you've got this. So you do this. 2R star, 2B, 2U, L star, 2U, R star inverted, 2U, R star, 2U, 2F, R star, 2F, L star inverted, 2B, and 2R. So now you've got this up. What you have to do is to get the top cross realigned and then solve for the corners, and you are done. Parity case number 4. The top is done, everything is done, but this face is opposite from this. They are in the wrong position. So this is what you do. 2 small r, 2U, 2 small r, 2U star, 2 small r, 2 small u. Ta-da! It's all done. Parity case number 5. This is the last one you ever see, and then you're done with all parity cases. You have the top done, but these two are flipped. What you're gonna do is exactly the same as the one with the I can't remember which one. The one that is opposite. Exactly the same. 2 small r, 2U, 2 small r, 2U star, 2 small r, and 2 mini u. So what you have now is, how do I say it? Like this. You can start solving like a normal cube, get the top cross realigned, and then have the corners done, and you're done. So this concludes every parity case you meet in the course of solving your 4x4 Rubik's Cube, and it's the end of the tutorial.